Hi, my name is Maggie, and today I'll be teaching you how to draw a cat. All you will need is paper, pencil, and an eraser. Let's get to it.
First, start by drawing a curved line down from the crosshair. At the end of the line, draw a triangle-like shape where the flat part of the triangle is curved in towards the part of the triangle. Moving back over the start of the line, draw a curved line upwards, stopping at the height of where the eyebrows would be. From the left side of the triangle, curve up, back up to the horizontal line. Draw an arch above the horizontal line. Slightly below the line, connect the two sides with a curved line. Inside the eye, draw a small oval wherever you want the cat to be looking. Inside of that, draw a smaller oval and color in it. Draw a curved line up to the point, then arch it over to where the right side of the eyes rests, connecting a line in between to it. Draw a line beneath that curves around the bottom of the line. Repeat on the other side of the nose. Draw a line down to the top of the nose. From there, draw a line down and up, not touching the actual point of the nose itself, and another line going downwards before bringing it up again. At the corner of where the mouth starts, draw a curved line all the way to where the end of the mouth stops. On the left side of the eye socket, draw a rounded line to the bottom of the mouth. Do the same on the other side, but instead start from where we ended off the chin. From the top of the eyebrow, draw a rounded off line to the top of the head. Draw a triangle at the side of the head with a curved line. Draw a line from the middle of the triangle to the bottom, widening the length between where we started the triangle to create depth. Repeat on the other side. Now that the basic shape of the cat is finished, add any details you want, such as longer fur in the ears, fur tufts, whiskers, and making it how you want. I hope this helped you draw the cutest cat. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause the video whenever you need to.